The main focus in the movie Despicable Me is to steal the moon. I thought to myself that this was impossible, so I decided to find out for sure. First I must find out if it gets small enough to become a black hole. If anything with mass can be shrunken small enough, its density will become so great that it will suck in light. The size that it would need to become can be calculated with the Schwarzschild radius equation. This is it. The initial mass of the object times 2 times a crazy number called the universal gravitational constant, which just signifies gravitational forces are in the equation. All of this divided by the speed of light squared. All we need is the mass of the moon. Easy. That's what Google is for. The mass of our moon is 7.3476730 times 10 to the 22 kilograms. How heavy? The universal gravitational constant is a weird number with weird units. It's cubic meters and something like an inverse kilograms and also involving seconds. Insanely complicated. And the speed of light is 299,792,458 meters per second. The moon would need to shrink to a sphere with a radius of 1/10 of a millimeter. The smallest a human eye can see is a particle with a diameter of 1/10 of a millimeter. This is half of that. So I used this to find the volume of the moon's required size to be a black hole, and got a very small number. After finding the volume of the moon grew as holding, I found out that it wouldn't become a black hole. Not nearly. So since that's out of the way, I can see how a moonless Earth would function. I still don't fully know how the shrink ray works, but that's irrelevant to what I'm doing right now. Tides would suddenly change, according to the sun. The movie shows that this does happen. Due to the change in various gravitational pulls, we would experience a few earthquakes and erupting volcanoes. Also, the Earth constantly wobbles and shakes over every 26,000 years due to the tug of the sun, but the moon restricts its shaking with its gravitational pull. No moon means more shake, and over a million years our climate would drastically change. Storms, heat, coldness, you get the picture, but it gets placed back in a few hours, so that's okay. Conclusion: the moon would not become a black hole, but it would change the tides, climate, and underground plates.